In this video, we will discuss about passing the styles to the list. When we learned the list in HTML, we got the list like the definition list, unordered list or ordered list, which were either giving some bullet or a number figure just before the list. But if I want to give some different styles, I can go for the list options in CSS as well. Options like if I don't want any bullet or number before any list item. Whenever you are adding a list item, it is coming one after another in a vertical manner. But what if I want to get them all in a horizontal way or in a thumbnail? So we can use some style options here in order to make our list more attractive and look different than a normal list. So let's start the practical where we'll try to manipulate the appearance of the list now.
Alright, so here in list things, what I have done in the beginning, like this is the default list pattern which we have learned in the HTML. So using UL, that is unordered list, or OL, that is ordered list, you can just start putting some list things. And here I'm using the nested list. So when you will be watching this in the browser, how it will come, like firstly it will be tea, coffee, soft drinks, and inside soft drinks you will get these options. So let's save it, and here you can see, like first of all they are coming with disk, and inside that it is circle. Alright, and we know, like using the attributes called type, you can pass the values like disk, circle, or square. Now you can do the same things using CSS also. So what we can do, using list style type, this attribute inside the style tag, you can pass which particular kind of bullet you want. So here you can see I have used all the three ones like square, disk, and circle. So this is how also you can change the type of square in each of your list items. Rather than passing that in UL, I will pass the style type, list style type, here in the li tag. So let's see that. Like first you can see this is square, disk, circle. So this is how you can create them. Similarly, for ordered list also, you can use the list style type with the different values like lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, upper alpha, and numbers which are default. So you can just make these different values with the list style type, and here you can see that the lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, upper alpha. Alright, so by default when you create a list, each element or each item I should say comes in a different line. But if you want to create the inline list like this, you can simply just do one thing, that is here in each unordered list you can write float left. As soon as you will start writing float left in each list item, they will all come in the same line. The reason why I am using width 10%, because I don't want any congestion with the list item. I want to give them proper width so that it will be easy for the user to get the elements. So width is nothing with the inline thing, it's just for the better appearance of the list items. And here float left for each list item will give you the list in single line. But if you don't want any bullet out there, like I don't want these things either horizontal or in vertical list, what you can do, right here in the list tag, that is either unordered or ordered list tag, you can simply say style list style none. Alright, so as soon as you say list style none, so none of the type list style type will appear before the list items. As here you can see there are elements available, but there is nothing like any alphabet or any bullet specified before them because the list style is none. So these are the different implementations that you can make while working with CSS in list items.